Okay, here we have horse one. I think this horse has never seen me before, and I've never seen this horse, so we'll see how the horse reacts. I have no idea if it's like a cat or a dog. It's got that curious kind of look. Looking friendly so far. Oh, you look a little chilly. How are you doing, Mr. Horse? How's Mr. Horse? It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Riff Raff. Okay, that's a good name for a horse. Good macho name. So what you waiting for? You know, I don't have permission to open the gate, so gotta wait for one of the ladies to come out. Sorry if I'm annoying you and wasting your time. Yeah. No food, not opening the gate. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing, Mr. Riff Raff or Miss Riff Raff or whoever? It's okay. What's making you nervous? Me moving towards you? Okay. You okay? All right. All right, Mr. Horse. Okay, so here we have what appear to be two barn cats lounging on the hay. Looks like a good place to lounge if you're a cat. So I do know a little bit more about cats than horses, so let's see how this goes. How you doing? How you doing? You okay?
Oh, good.
Yeah.
She's doing pretty good out there with all the tree stuff.
Yeah, you're okay. Okay, I'll start filming a little early so you can see the area. There's a Bank of America over there, which is good. That's my bank. And Shell Station. And Walmart. They don't have the grocery center. They're not a super center. You have to go a bit further away for a grocery store, but that's okay. Now we have Karate Universe. They're apparently trying to show that they're better than Karate World. See, over there we have Philip's Salon, run by Philip, and it's probably the only $55 haircut I'll ever get. I wasn't sure where to go for a haircut that first time, but glad to support the economy of Connecticut, but we won't be doing that again. Okay. There's the Wilton laundromat. Oh, sorry, I neglected a video of that. Okay, this is Kensett Avenue or Kensett Drive. Kensett Drive, I get them all confused. Nope, Kensett Avenue. Alright, so here we go. You can see the horsey caution sign. I don't know if they ride the horses out here on the road or through some trails or what, or if there are more horse owners in the area. I would imagine in any wealthy community, horses are popular. Alright, this is the other Kensett. I think it's Kensett Drive. The one I'm at is Avenue. I'm going left. You can see the barricades and things at the bottom and a couple cars. People are out visiting their horses or taking riding lessons or whatever. This is my residence. Jeff, the other tenant, and we kind of worked out a parking scheme, but it's still a little tight. Okay. And let me do the San Francisco thing and rotate the wheel just in case the chock in the transmission fails. You never know. And I don't want the vehicle killing someone out in the street. Alright, and lights off. Diet Coke, can't live without that. Alright. Alright, so let me step back and get a larger picture of the house. There we are. It's kind of pretty. It was built in the 70s, I think. And this is the entrance to my humble abode. We'll come back to that in a minute. All right. All right. We're walking out to the barn, and I'm gonna put the cell phone on silent here. The horses don't really care for cell phones ringing. All right.
Everyone will be talking about it later. So I watched it and I stayed up until 1:30 watching it. Hello.
Oh, you almost manured me there. All right, I'm recording. I hope I'll delete anything you want me to delete.
No, it's fine.
Hey, Mr. Horse, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, and up here we have a lazy barn cat. How you doing, sweetheart? You gonna bite me on camera? It's okay. Okay. Okay, well, enjoy the hay. I don't want to disturb you any further. I know enough about cats to not press it. There we have the stalls where the horses are. This is the area where they do some training both for the horses and the people that I want to say operate them, but that's the wrong nomenclature. Ride them, I guess. And the obstacles and things are kind of interesting. I've never seen them actually do it, but they all appear to be kind of a breakaway type where you can't entangle the horse or the rider in them, and it's kind of interesting. And I've never seen such equipment before, but if you look at this thing, for example, it's made of plastic pipes that will detach, and looks like I've detached it more than I wanted to. Let's try that again. There we go. And that goes down to the road. It's kind of a secondary pen down there. I don't know exactly when and why and how they take the horses out here, but that's it. And that's the gate that separates the two. And I never actually watched them do the obstacles and the other things that they do. It must be quite interesting training both the horse and the rider. You can say hi to the other Teresa.
Hi, Teresa.
Yeah, like I said, the only other gal I know named Teresa is a flight instructor. So,
Do you fly?
I used to years ago. It was a fascinating experience, but it's like learning to drive all over again. Maybe something like that.
Yeah.
Maybe riding a horse is the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's the back of the house. All right. Now we can go up to my humble abode. There's an animal trap here for some reason. I don't know what they want to trap, but I've heard there are a couple of crazy raccoons around that even will enter dwellings. I don't consider those much of a threat. My experience with raccoons is if you just give them what they want, they're not inclined to attack. So if they come inside and you don't approach them, I suspect you'd be okay. Alright. So this is my humble abode. Going up. We have a set of stairs. The phone may not be able to record that well. And oh God, I banged my head. Okay, this is my one and only room, which is quite small. I have a air mattress on the floor and a little heater, although there is heat that was loaned to me by Marilyn, and a little work area. The ThinkPad is chugging along on videos from New York City, I'm sure. And bathroom, nothing to say there. Shower, so on. And very small kitchen. A few cabinets, air conditioner, stove, sink, refrigerator, microwave. And I'm paying $8.50 for this. I think in Michigan it would be worth about I don't know, $3.50, something like that. But it absolutely is the cheapest place that one can find in Wilton. They typical apartment rent might be more like $1,200 and up, and there are $2,000 and $4,000 apartments. And just for Janet, I thought I'd film the Wilton laundromat. This is the area where it is. Wilton laundromat. And let's see, what do we got next door? Majestic, your source for all your flooring needs. Allstate, okay. And right on down the road there, where you might be able to see the Chase sign in high-def video, that's the turn for Kensett Avenue between the two banks, First Niagara and Chase, and then you go up a bit and turn left onto Kensett Drive. Not even sure if I can be heard over all the traffic. Okay, so let's see what we got in the laundromat. We got the electric sliding door. Marion, you want to say hi to the folks in Michigan?
Hi.
And let's see, we have an ATM in the laundromat, and we have a couch and a TV, and they even let the customers have the remote control that's down there, so pretty impressive. And it's 2-level. They got stairs over there, and the ramp going down so you can push your laundry cart. Overall, not a bad arrangement. See how much it is a load. I remember it's rather steep even for the small machines. Okay, 250. Oh, 275. Why did it? 250. Super cycle. Okay.